We're gonna unbox the S25 Ultra. Let's get this unboxed. And if you've noticed, we have switched to AT&T. Wow, look at that. We just got brand new. You'd think that'd be a pull tab, right? It is. It's pretty tight in there. Look at that.
Wow.
What a beautiful phone.
If that was such a thing.
I like this so much better than the S24. It feels,
more rounded edges.
Oh yeah, it feels so much better in your hand. The other one had like rounded edges, but you got a case on there.
Square. It was square, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was very rough, and even with the case, made it feel horrible. This is very nice in the hand.
I like how it's a flat black on the back of it, right?
That looks really good.
That is sharp. Very nice.
Wow. Looks really good. Man, I'd like to just use it like this. I got the 512 gigabyte this time. They say this has updated Gorilla Screen 2 or whatever it is. There's people talking about it though. They acted like it didn't help it. It's got a new S Pen that is not as good. It does not have a battery in it. So you can't do like the air stuff, like you could not touch it and it shows stuff up. And you can't take pictures with it. Which,
why can you click then?
I know, why can't you click?
Maybe they just added that so you would.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some more research because they said this one's not supposed to be battery powered. We will check on that. But we will check this thing out. Did it turn on?
It took me a little bit. I had to hold mine down for quite a while.
Okay. There we go. And most of the specs are the same. Ooh, we've never heard that before. We are first time AT&T customers. We just got fiber internet. And there we go. I just love these phones. We've switched from Apple to Android, and it has been amazing. Mm-hmm. I used to own Androids forever, and then I got to where they didn't have the apps that iPhone had, and I switched over. I've just missed it ever since. I used an iPhone for probably 4 years. And it was okay. It was missing this, it was missing that, and they would slowly catch up, but I still feel like they're like 5 years behind Samsung. It's just amazing how more advanced these are, and you know, people argue about the photo taking. This thing here, my Samsung phones have always taken
exceptional,
amazing pictures. I'm not saying that iPhone didn't as well, but these are on another level. I sent my wife a picture of the moon. It was just amazing.
It was like a telescope.
It's just, you can't do that with iPhone.
No, you can't zoom in on anything really. And
it's just the little things that, it's just the little things that matter. Mm-hmm. And this has a lot more little things. Like you can just adjust everything. And one of my big things is just moving my apps to a file is so hard on the iPhone, and it's so easy on here. I'm ecstatic. We got a heck of a deal on these phones. We think.
Yeah,
haven't
shout
got
out to AT&T.
Yeah, we haven't got the bill yet. But, okay.
Get these babies activated and...
Yeah, we'll get these activated. We will, maybe a month, we will do a review on these. I did get my Spigen case and the glass screen protector. Love these. I got a video on how to do these perfectly. Buy one of these, spend the extra money. They are well worth it.
Yep. Great brand.
Great brand. Yeah, I can't wait to see this case.
Not sponsored.
I wish they was sponsored. I would definitely be sponsored by these people. They're amazing. I've got my new Galaxy watch. Look at the Spigen case on that. Makes it look so much better for a guy. All the other ones look so small on my wrist, but very impressed. I like this way more, way
Better.
better. Way better?
I guess.
I don't know. This is way better.
That doesn't sound right.
This is way more better.
That doesn't sound right.
This is way better more.
This is the best.
This is better than the S24. I can already tell. I just like it so much more already. Really, another thing I missed from iPhone was the thumbprint scanner. I love the thumbprint scanner. You guys know how I feel if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Does yours look that cool?
Mine's like a bluish silver color.
Does it look
Yeah.
really neat? Is it flat?
No, shiny.
We need to see it. Okay.
You want me to turn it off now? Or keep going?
You can turn it off.
Okay.